Oh, no, Mandy's riding with me.
Oh, well, which one are we in?
Up here.
Excuse me.
Once a year, that's right. So I used to golf a lot, but I don't golf at all anymore. So once a year, so David talked me into getting out here and hitting the links. So we'll see if I can swing the clubs anymore. How much we going, Dave? I don't really care, man. And I was being honest about how I shoot. Then we're betting.
What are we betting?
Whatever you want to do. I know, he's a pretty boy. Look at him. Get the camera on him. Look at Dave. He's a pretty boy. All right, so what are we doing, Dave? How much a hole? I guess. I mean, these guys only played once in their life.
Well, that's even better.
I mean, I'll partner with them. You two partner and we'll partner.
All right.
Okay?
For you, but we can just play. I mean, I don't know. Are we having to give you strokes?
No, I don't want strokes. I don't want a handicap. I'm ready to go, baby. $10 a hole. Yeah? Yeah, but who's in the cash? They don't want to. Or do you guys want to be in the cash?
I'm just looking at you. I didn't say yes.
I'm asking.
He has to see how many windows he takes out first.
Yeah,
Well, I'm on your team. So whatever one of us scores the best wins the hole. So what's going to happen is all three of us are going to hit. Whoever hits the best shot, all three of us go to that next shot. So if you stumble, you pick those balls up and you come to my ball. Oh, this ain't fair already. The camera's not on, Ace. All right. Head down, buddy. Come on, head down. You got this. Nice and smooth, slow. There you go. Nice shot, Ace. There you go. Straight up there, Paul. Oh. That wasn't very good. We're using Ace's ball. Yes, okay. Ace, you can't use a tee out in here in the fairway, just off the green. These guys are real amateurs. Although we're using his drive though, so. You got this, Ace, nice and smooth. There you go. No, Paul, over here. Look straight ahead. You see the flag? There you go. Good job, bud. Doesn't look like it, does it? Okay. A little hard, Paul. You watch how hard he hit that, Ace? Okay, now you saw Paul and you saw Ace. We're gonna try to hit it right in between. Ah, not enough. Go! That was horrible. All right, we're down a hole already. $10 ball, but I got more in my bag. There's another $10 ball. Go get that one. Watch this break so we know where you line you up at. Oh. All right, he didn't even go near the dime, okay? This time go. Yeah, I know you were aiming for it, but you didn't even go near it. Hey, grab their cart, will you? Too damn slow. Come on, Paul, you got this. You can't ruin my clubs, man. I like you too much. Hit it around a little bit. Oh, you can't go out the hole, dude. I thought you were just aiming for that little hole there. Sorry. Get through there. Get through there.
Whoa.
Damn!
Good shot.
Wow! Oh, I see it. Oh, whoa, oh!
Okay.
You want to play? Did you get that one? Woo!
Okay.
That was luck. I didn't even know where it went. Looking around.
I didn't see it either.
There you go. There you go. Nice job, baby. Woo-hoo. Nice birdie. Ace is like a superstar today. Ace got in the hole.
Oh, so it doesn't matter. You didn't have.
Ace. Did that go between your legs?
He hit it backwards off the tee box. I'm sorry, Paul. I've never ever seen that in my life before. Did you have that on video?
You got that? You got to slow motion that one. I know, right? Oh, there you go. Oh, shit.
I lost it in the trees.
Did we have a good one?
That's the best.
Did we have a good one?
It's in the water. Your best ball is right here. Your best ball is Paul's right here.
Y'all might want to check paces.
I'll hit a provisional. Oh my God, I am done.
He's got it. Oh,
I'm done.
this hole's got all the footage. This hole's got the footage.
You better edit that out, Stan.
Oh, we gotta have all that footage.
Oh no, you play all the last two holes.
Let's go check aces.
Just a minute, baby.
Hold my legs. Hey, Ace,
I can get a hold of
hold my legs.
these weeds.
Oh, so you're gonna take the heaviest one here.
Don't break my legs. I just can't reach it. You don't have a gut like me. I got like 6 inches of gut.
Just a minute, baby.
I'll put my whole waist over if you hold me.
If he goes in, it's great footage.
We can just hold her by the.
Yeah, get that off. Just a minute.
Oh yeah.
You guys have your
I got you.
We got you. We got you.
That bitch better not be complaining about us wasting time.
Oh, she won't. She won't.
You push your way over that, right?
Yeah. Come on up. Yeah, you two switch, Ace. Ace, he's 6 foot tall.
6 foot 4.
Your feet are wet.
Kind of put these on.
Grab his arm.
There you go. Come on, bro.
There you go.
You may have to just scoop them out of there. Yep.
There you go.
Oh, what is
Oh, there's
that?
a turtle. It's a turtle.
Oh, a turtle's got its foot.
Is that what it
I
is?
think
Yeah, it's a turtle. He's on it.
Oh.
There you go.
There it is. Turtle did have them.
Yup. That little shit. Go, baby. Go. Go, baby.
I don't know.
He's limping.
I don't know. That thing ain't got much to go.
Well, at least he's not by the turtle anymore.
Turtle had a good load. Oh, almost.
One of us, he wasn't walking on one of
There
his
it
legs
goes.
because whatever that.
There
you
it
see him?
goes. Yeah, you can see on his leg right there. He's got a gash on his right one, I think.
Yeah, Mark.
I think so, on his upper right one.
That's crazy. You guys just saved a bird's life. Who would buy a house on a golf course? Explain that to me. What guys like us around here?
looking at the flag and
Yeah, nobody saw that. But my 1,900 YouTube followers. Short. Okay. No, wrong side. What are you guys doing? Oh, that ain't fair. There you go, Paul. Nice shot. Last time we went golfing, Ace swung so hard that he spun all the way around and fell on the ground. And we got it on video. We got it on
You
video.
didn't have to repeat it. I mean, one time is
One time. It's only good enough for one video. God. Oh, you think you can do it, Stan? We're down 50 bucks with 5 holes to go. My game has fallen apart. I'm playing horrible. I have to bring it back. I don't want to pay for dinner, but it's not looking very good. Dave has conned me. He conned me into betting him. I really didn't want to bet, but he conned me.
Ace, yours is in walking distance.
I unlocked their bags on their golf cart. When they take off, it should fall off. Let's see if it does.
Did you really?
Yeah. Damn it.
I can't. Really?
If he checks the other side, see if the other.
All right, we're good.
It's like you just picked the other side.
You sank it? We didn't do that good. We lost $80 to Team Dave. I'm not upset. I understand. I'd take him on again, but he conned me. He conned me. I didn't want to bet. You see in the beginning of this video, I didn't want to bet. So, but at least he's going to pay for dinner now. Then we're betting. All right. So what are we doing, Dave? How much a hole? $10 a hole. But who's in the cash? They don't want to. Or do you guys want to be in the cash?